In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Buyer Farmrise app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to find the right app, you need to go ahead and find Play Store or Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. As you can see, mine is here, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. And then from this interface, go ahead and tap on search bar here, or if you can see it, tap on search here. So if you tap on this, just go ahead and just search by name like that, and then tap on search icon, and you should see we have Buyer Farmrise app is available here. Make sure it is from Farmrise, and this is the current logo of this app. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 16,000 reviews, and currently it has over 5 million downloads, and the file size is approximately 36 MB to install. Tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Buyer Farmrise app and install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see your Farmrise app. Go ahead and tap on it to launch it and sign up to start using this Buyer Farmrise app. So that's how you can get the right Farmrise app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.